This is gonna make some incredible tea. Good morning, y'all. I'm out here in my garden. The bee balm is looking beautiful, and I want to share a little bit with you about harvesting it and how to prolong getting these beautiful blooms. So let's check it out. If you come right in here, you're gonna see on this particular stalk, we've got some flowers. The stem comes down, and then I have another little section that wants to make a flower, and another little section that wants to make a flower. And beneath that, 2 more beautiful little blooms just on this one piece that would make a flower. It's really tempting to come out and say, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, it's so lush, I don't want it to go away. But if I don't harvest this, it's gonna start drying up. The plant is gonna say, oh, we've done our job, we can go to seed, it's all good. So we really do have to harvest to continue to get beautiful flowers, and the benefit of that is you get delicious tea. So let's harvest some, and I'm gonna show you how I do that and how you continue to get more blooms. All right, y'all, you can see we've got all this beautiful bee balm. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to choose one that I'm gonna harvest, and I'm gonna come down close to where it meets that main stem, and I'm just going to snip it right off, just like that. I only have some regular scissors today. My pruners were not in my vehicle. I don't know where they went, so we're gonna have to roll this way, but that's okay. I'm gonna make sure that I'm coming down, like this is a really great example. On this one, you can see here the stem comes straight down, and then right here it's starting to make a split, and you're gonna see a V. I want to cut above that section, kind of at an angle, so that's going to allow that to continue to bush out. Here's another one. I'm just gonna cut a few inches down, probably like, I don't know, 5 to 8 inches beneath that. And this smells so incredible. Like, I don't even know how to explain how delicious this smells. This is gonna make the best tea, and harvesting it is going to allow me to continue to get lots of beautiful blooms for so much longer than if I did not. All right, y'all, I've got this handful of beautiful blooms right here. I am gonna take this home. I'm gonna flip it upside down, tie a little string around this, hang it, and allow this to dry. And this is gonna make some incredible tea. I may even split this into a couple of sections. They're falling out left and right because they don't want this many to be in a bunch. But I'll probably do maybe like 5 or 6 in a bunch, hung upside down to dry. That way it gets more airflow in there. But this is gonna make the best tea. If you've never smelled bee balm or wild bergamot, gosh, it's incredible. It is amazing. I highly recommend you grow it. It's a great medicinal. It's beautiful. Adds some fun white color to the garden. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I would love to know if you're growing bee balm, if you have other uses that you like to use it for. I use it for tea. I know there are other uses, just haven't delved into that yet, but I would love to learn.